Untuk bahasa Wina mau kita langsung kan? Oh, oke. Untuk Hermani, ayo aduk ini bagi hang.
In Kokborok, I read Kokborok. I do a lot of research work in Kokborok. It is not that I am not fluent because I don't speak it all the time. So it is good that we are celebrating Kokborok Day. And every year we celebrate, but we have to think of ways how to enrich the language. We are still having controversy regarding script. And any language to improve, जो भी भाषा उसको उन्नति करने के लिए क्या चाहिए? लिटरेचर चाहिए. We require literature. We require poets. We require novelists. We require grammar. We require a good dictionary. Tripura had 184 kings. Everyone did very good work, but one work was left out: the development of Kokborok. The Maharajas of Tripura, most of them were very good people. They did a lot of development, but we could not develop Kokborok. That is most unfortunate. Because mother tongue is a part of identity. Every person's mother tongue is also a part of his identity, is a part of his family. Jahulu was saying, Kokborok, there's Kokbru, Chakmas have their own language, Mogs have their own language. So Jahulu was trying to say that Kokborok means language of the people, Manusher Bhasha, Kokborok. But it also means a language, a certain language, Kokborok, that joins whole of Tripura. Like in Nagaland, every tribe has one own language. The Simas have their own language, Angamis have their own language, Aus, Nijer Bhasha ase. But they all speak to each other in Nagamese. In English we call it lingua franca. Lingua franca means a language that everyone can understand. So Kokborok is a language that almost everyone can understand in Tripura. There may be slight variations. Of course, Chakma and Mog is a little different from us, from our language. Though they are indigenous people, their language is a little different. The Mizo language is a little different. But Jomatiyas, the Burmas, Tripura, and all other tribes, except a few, we can all understand Kokborok. Think na, Faidi is Faidi in Jomatia also. Tui is Tui in Jomatia also. Mai is Mai in Jomatia also. So there may be certain variations, but this is a language that joins the history of Tripura. And it is very important now, especially for students, to spread Kokborok, to spread it. It has become the official language of Tripura, but how many people speak? I was minister for 5 years in the secretariat. All the files are moved in English. Some can be moved in Kokborok also. If all the IAS officers have to learn Bengali, they should also have to learn Kokborok. That should be made compulsory. All the IAS officers who come from outside, it is compulsory for them to learn Bengali. at least know something of Bengali. So they must also know something of Kokborok. It will benefit them also. It will be easier for them to work. So that is how Kokborok must be propagated. And every year we must celebrate it. And remind ourselves that we must propagate our own identity through our own language. I think in a few weeks' time, one of my books will be out. हमारा एक बोई मेरे एक किताब मेरा निकलेगा, उसमें कॉकबोरक आर्टिकल्स है मेरा. But Kokborok has not developed as it should have developed. Due to various reasons. In that book you will find out why it was not developed. Today we will not discuss it. Later on we will discuss it. Why Kokborok did not develop in Tripura. But now it is high time